Uh, May I just start by telling you something about the Life Valladolid project. My name is Ángel Gutiérrez, as I said, PECA, and I belong to a natural gas distribution company. It's a Spanish company that belongs also to a Portuguese group, EDP. And now we are only to pass and concern something about the Naturgas Energía and also the Biogrid project. Naturgas Energía is a Spanish energy group whose aim is to supply natural gas and electricity to businesses and also to individuals. We have transmission networks just over 400 kilometers, and also we have gas distribution pipelines, also just under 6,000 kilometers. We also commercialize natural gas and electricity. We have nearly about 1 million clients, and in electricity, just under more or less 5,000 clients. The project opportunity is the biogas injection into natural gas grid and use as vehicle fuel by upgrading it with a novel CO2 capture and storage technology. We make use of the creativity and innovation year that was, as you know, last year, no? In order to start this European innovative project. Now, let us move on the project location. The project location is in Bilbao and also in Tineo, in the north part of Spain, near the Cantabrian coast. And we started this project last year, and it is forecasted to end the last day of the next year. The budget, the total amount is just over, or just under, in this case, 2 million euro, and is co-funded with nearly 46% of the total amount. The project implementation are the following. There are 3 companies of the Naturgas Energía Holding. The coordinating beneficiary is Naturgas Energía Distribution Company, and also the associated beneficiaries are Naturgas Energía Grupo from Spain, Naturgas Energía Transport also from Spain, a company from Asturias is called Biogas Fuel Cell, and also 2 Dutch companies called Gas Treatment Services and also Ingrepro. The main objective of this project is to demonstrate the feasibility of production as substitute natural gas, called biomethane, from biogas. To achieve this goal, we are going to coupling biogas production with an innovative biogas upgrading system, and also is based on the combination and the conjunction on biological and cryogenic technologies to capture and also to store CO2. This is very important to move our focus on the steps. These are the biogas production, also the biogas upgrading system. We are going to get biomethane, and it's very important to this point to highlight that it's a CO2 negative fuel. In this case, we are going to demonstrate the vehicle driven also with biomethane and also with petrol in combination, in order to carry or to take this biomethane stores in bottles in order to the injection in natural gas grid. This is the description of the project. The main important tasks are the responsibilities of the companies. The biogas production plant is the responsibility of the biogas fuel cell company. Also, the biogas upgrading plan consists of two parts: the pilot algae plant, PIP, whose responsibility is the Dutch company Ingrepro, and also the gas treatment power package GPP system consists to reduce the CO2 by means of cryogenic system, and is responsibility from gas treatment system. And also the biomethane distribution and the biomethane use as vehicle fuel is responsibility of natural gas company. But the expected results are to define the best condition for biogas production, also prove a novel technology for upgrading biogas to biomethane with CO2 capture and storage based on the combination of a biological and agricultural process, and to produce biomethane as a CO2 negative fuel at a competitive cost, and to improve also the economies of biogas via grid injection as a via fuel, and to perform also an environmental and economic analysis, to promote also the use of anaerobic digestion of wastes as an alternative source of renewable energy, and also as a route for the waste management, and replicate the process in other plants, favoring the off-far uses of biogas and to improve their environmental impact and the economy as well, and duplicate the process in other activities which generate CO2 containing future gas. And many thanks for your kind attention. If you need more information, please contact to this website here. Thank you very much.